Alright, so we've got some saw maintenance today. Do a little bit of chain sharpening. And we got some other goodies. For now, what we're going to be looking at is Mac 1010. It's going to get a new fuel filter. It's going to get a new air filter. New fuel line. It's going to get a new cork gasket up on the gas cap here, because that's just rotted out. And it's going to get a new spark plug. So that's what we're going to do right now. Here's the old one. OEM fuel filter. This thing's looking a little nasty. Goes in right over here. Fuel line. Goes the carburetor down there. And then just in the top of the gas tank. So. Okay, so we've got a brand new fuel filter in there. New fuel line, a little bit of a kink. Ooh, that does have a kink right there, doesn't it? That might cause it. Whatever. We've got the fresh fuel filter in there. So, fuel line, got the kinks out. All I do is just rotate it right here and basically just move the position of that, the fuel line. And everything is sitting just peachy, no kinks, no nothing else. Oh my God. Fresh fuel filter, fresh fuel line. Got a brand new gasket on the gas cap. This gas cap still needs work because the little duckbill valve at the top for the venting, it's basically just not even there. So I got to do some more work to the gas cap. But for now, that'll be all right. Everything's looking good. Let's go on ahead and get to the spark plug down here. We're going to take that old one out. We're going to put a brand new one in. By the way, these are all OEM. I'm pretty sure. These have never ever been changed. That old fuel filter, that old fuel line. This still seems like it's in pretty good shape, but I don't know. Look at that. Just black. Honestly, it's looking pretty clean, but it's like there's just oil, just thick, sticky stuff. Nasty looking stuff. Got the brand new spark plug right here. Just Champion spark plug, nothing crazy. And it goes. So right away I can tell you that spark plug boot seats a lot better on top of this new spark plug than it did on this old one. I don't know if this is a OEM Champion spark plug or what, if it's ever been changed, but look at that. Nasty. Alright, so this replacement air filter is not going to fit on my 1010 Auto. There's just no way. People said it fit, but there's a little bit of a difference here. Okay? That ain't going to work. So, this one is okay. It's just a mesh style air filter. Boy, it ain't the best. This is really what you need, something like this. It's much better at filtering everything out, but that fits like a glove, so it's going to keep this clean. I hit it with some brake cleaner once in a while and clean it out. It needs to be cleaned out again, but it'll do for now. So that concludes all the fun stuff done with the 1010 for today. Next up to bat is the 500. We got some fun stuff to put on that one, so let's get that one up on the table. First things first, take the bar and chain off. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me loosen this chain up a bit. Okay, so got the bar rails cleaned out. Got this cleaned up a little bit better than it was. Right over there. Now what we're gonna take these felling spikes off. Alright, so I did have to do a little bit of modification up here. I had to take the Dremel, grind some of this away, because there's just a little bit of a tight fit up there. Now we got it ground away, fits pretty decent. We're going to tighten these down. But on there good enough. Look at that. Big difference. Alright, let's get the other one done. Alright, now that we got the new felling spikes installed, we have one more modification. Hello, Mr. Fancy Pants. Brand new chain and a bar. Let's do it. All right, so there you guys had it. It's looking proper now. I love it. These are the types of spikes they need to come with on a saw like this, instead of those little itty bitty ones. So let's crank her up, see what it sounds like. like it. I'm sure one of the neighbors is probably already taking video because of the noise. So, that'll be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of a saw mod. This thing just got bad to the bone. I'm gonna torque that chain down. This cover just sat properly. I guess I didn't see it properly before, but whatever. Anyways, see you guys on the next one.